Philosophy of design. Discrete components are often used instead of integrated circuits for better control. I don't know what discrete components are, but that's why we have Gunters.
Well, that's marketing, yeah. Everyone who works with electronics knows that if you make integrated circuits, they're more precise. The process is repeatable. All the components inside are made with a single lithographic process, and if the quality control is right, today integrated circuits are better than discrete components. Besides, there are cases when we can't cool it down. If you put too many powerful transistors in one package, it's impossible to cool. It overheats, so then we use them separately. But in principle, I don't agree with this point. Well, not with this point. By the way, this point is often used by those who say, we'll put a discrete operational amplifier here, buy it for 30 euros and replace it. From an engineer's point of view, this is absolutely wrong. You're being deceived.
However, you can change the operational amplifier, affect the sound's character, and believe the sound is changing.